Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 29th of February. And first of all, national news. PM Narendra Modi launched infrastructure project worth over 17,300 crore rupees in Tamil Nadu. President Draupadi Murmu to be on 4-day visit to Jharkhand and Odisha. Government to organize मेरा पहला वोट देश के लिए in higher educational institutions across country. Justice A.M. Khanvilkar to be new Lokpal of country. National Defense Academy released anthology Soldier and War Poem, a tribute through poetry and paintings. NTA to conduct Kuwait PG 2024 from March 11 to 28. Sangeet Natak Academy announced Academy Ratna and Academy Puraskar for 2022. Now, international news. South Korean US troops will begin major exercises next week in response to North Korean threats. Japan recorded lowest births in 2023. Government said declining birth rate at critical state. Hong Kong moved towards enacting tougher security law amid concerns about freedoms. China will provide wisdom for political settlement in Russia-Ukraine war. US spacecraft Russian satellite set for a risky encounter in space, NASA. And now some sports news. Shreya Iyer and Ishan Kishan snubbed as BCCI announced new players' central contracts. Rohit Sharma equaled Sunil Gavaskar's record as Test captain. Yashasvi Jaiswal rose to 12th, Zurel to 69th in ICC Test rankings. BCCI announced annual retainership contracts. Sharma, Kohli, Bumrah and Jadeja in Grade A with 7 crore. Business-related news. Patanjali Foods share price dipped 3% after Supreme Court issued contempt notice. Current approaches for addressing overfishing flawed India at the WTO. Industry should align with India's developmental goals, FM Nirmala Sitharaman. Russia worked effectively with Iran within OPEC plus framework, Deputy PM said. And that's all in news. Thank you.